Hello, my name is Avi Bhatia. Today I will be showing you guys how to create a Google slide presentation. The first step is to have a Google account. You need this account to log into every Google app. If you don't have one, there's a video on our channel on how to make one. You need to search up Google Slides on whatever web browser you use, like Chrome or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge or anything else, and click on this Google slide here. You click on Go to Google Slides and it should take you to a page that looks exactly like this. To start a new presentation, you go up here and you could choose any of these themes. So if you're making a portfolio, you can click on here. A photo album, you can click on here. But most of the time, you'll be clicking this blank presentation. All of the past presentations you've done will be shown here. And you could just click on any of them and it'll bring it up. If you want to search for a specific presentation, you can go up here and type in the title of the presentation. To add a title to your presentation, you go up here and you can type in whatever you want. So, new presentation. And there are also themes on the right side that you can choose from. If you think one of them looks nice or fits your presentation, you can click on them and it'll automatically do everything for you here. But for now, I'm just going to be using the default theme. To add a title to the slide, you click on this big box here and you could title it whatever you want. The subtitle box oftentimes won't be used for much, so you can just ignore it for now or delete it. To create a new slide, you click on this plus sign here at the top left corner, or you can press Ctrl M. You title this slide the same way by clicking at the long box at the top, so new slide. And you can add whatever text you need to here. If you want to add another text box, you can go to Insert here and text box like this. It'll give you this plus sign cursor and you could drag it to however big you want it and it'll make the text box for you. If you made a text box and don't want it there, you can click on the edge of the text box and it should give you an option to delete it. So if you messed up on a slide and don't want it there, you could delete the slide by right-clicking here and pressing delete. So you could customize your slide by going to this background here. You could choose either a color like this, it'll do it for you, or you could choose an image. So if I have an image on my computer I want to upload here, I could click browse and click on that image. Or if I have a camera from my computer, I could take a picture. Or I could put a link or choose it from my drive. And I could also just search from the web. So say I want a picture of a dog as a background. I just search up dog and choose one of these pictures. So you can also insert an image onto a slide by going to insert here and clicking on image. If you have an image saved on your computer, you can go here, or you could search the web for one. So say a cat maybe. I could click on here and then go insert. You could resize the image by clicking on these boxes in the corners and just dragging to however big you want it. This will also work for other Google apps like Google Docs or Google Sheets. And if you do want to make your presentation look a little bit more fancy, click on Animate here and it'll animate this picture specifically. So say disappear when I click it. So it will disappear when you click it. And if you do want to animate your whole presentation, you can go to this animate tab and click apply to all slides, and then you can make them do anything you want to. There's a lot of options here that you can choose from. And then at the bottom, there's something called speaker notes, which won't be used that much, but if you do want to type anything here, you can do so. It's underneath the slide, and you could type whatever you want to on here. So If you want to present your picture so you don't have to see all the stuff at the top or the stuff on the side, there is an option to present it as well. So you go here to view and press present, or control F5 would work too, and it makes your presentation full size so you don't have to see any of the stuff on the side and it looks more visually appealing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped, and I hope you guys know how to use Google Slides now. Thank you.